Hey guys, back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. If you have been watching my hauls where I go to Aldi's and get groceries, you would have seen me share these candles that I found from Aldi's. Now I've got a candle or two in the past from Aldi's and they, I can say, were decent, very decent. And I never really paid too much attention and wasn't so into paying attention to the candles back then, I guess, when I tried them. But let me tell you something. So the first time I went to the store, this here, the black currant in elderflower, and these are soybean scented candles by Huntington Home. This one I picked up and this one I picked up. Both smell amazing, and that was weeks ago, like several weeks ago. And I like this, I'll say in a week, I'm gonna be honest with you, I might like this in a week, maybe 4 times, and it may stay on for about an hour or so. Okay. And I've had this for about, I think it's about 2 weeks, almost 3, no, about 3 weeks now. Okay. And this is what it is looking like. Now, for those of you who are crafters, you already know this container is so appealing. $3.99, and it's got the Huntington Home seal symbol on it. And this is the same price as the candles that have no tops on them that I love as well, from Walmart. This is my favorite one. If you got juicy watermelon in your area, please let me know. I cannot find any more. Like, these are so freaking amazing. The smell is so amazing. But we're not talking about those, right? I like the fact that I think about these as individual gifts. I can clean these out, put cookies in my little wedding cake balls and different things, and, you know, put a little bow and make it cute for whoever. And then people can put these on their desk. They can put candies in them. They can put paper clips. I mean, do whatever you need to do with them, but these can be reused because they're glass. So I've had this for a while. Now, I've burned this a couple of times. I say I burned this about maybe 4 or 5 times, and I've let it burn for at least about an hour, and it is still doing its thing. So these candles, these soy blend candles, are literally, now this one says soy blend. This one says soy blend scented candle. Oh, scented candles above. Okay, I see it. It's the same thing. They just changed the way they printed it different. These candles are amazing. I always forget that I'm burning them because I like to burn oil in my house, and I know what the oils smell like, which I love, right? Or I'm either burning my Unstoppables. Now, the oils that I burn are oils that I got from, if you've been following me, I'm talking for years. I had a guy that I call my oil guy, and I just have tons of oil that I've had for years that I've used in my oil burners. So if I want a fresh scent or that smell of fresh clothing, I'll do the Unstoppables, which is way inexpensive, way more expensive. And I'll try to leave the link below to the hacks that I do to keep my home smelling good. But yeah, so other than that, if I want just that ambient feel with the candle and the scent, like on my dining room table, in my bathroom, or in my bedroom at night when I'm relaxing, the candles are the way to go. And when I tell you, every bit of $3.99 plus more this candle is worth, it is worth that. Like, it is so worth it. It's heavy, it's solid, it burns very slow. They burn very slow, and they give off an aroma in your home that is amazing. So I'm telling you this because, you know, I like you to save a dime. Some people are infatuated and over obsessed with Bath and Body Works, but I cannot see myself. Now, my guy has gifted me quite a few candles, and my daughter, from Bath and Body Works. So I have some here and there, but I light them so sparingly, it's crazy. Like, within a month, I might light them 5 times, you know, maybe, and that's pushing it. But I save them for very, very special times. Like if I'm really tired and I want to have a bath and I just want the bathroom to be dark and I don't want it bright, I have the blinds closed and I'll light my candle and have my little jazz because I have a speaker in the shower. And I'll just, you know, vibe out to that, and I'll have those candles. But when I'm just around the house and I'm working and doing my sessions with my clients, I keep one burning in my office. Now, currently in my office, which is where I'm at, I have this one burning. I just got done burning one that I found from Walmart for a clearance. It was a clearance. It was a tropical paradise or something like that, which was pretty cool. But now I am so like into these candles. I'm not gonna say obsessed. I think that's overdoing it. But when I say into these candles, I mean they are so worth it. And as you see, I got these a couple weeks ago, and then I end up getting this, and I shared this in the haul. This one was the next one, honey glazed pear cider. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So I'm like, okay, Camille, you don't need any more candles. Pause on the candles. So I went there today to grab some orange juice and a couple of produce items, and they had more. Different kind, cocoa cove and rose water sangria. Listen, let me tell you something. If I have not ever told you anything, I hope today you are listening to what I'm saying now. These candles smell amazing. Like, I thought this was my favorite, but these two right here, oh my gosh. All I'm going to say is, Aldi's, you did your thing with these candles. These candles burn slow. They are so worth the price of $3.99 and more, which I shouldn't be saying that because I don't want them to raise the price. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. They are 3-wick candles. And if you don't know, I'll also load the video on how to keep your candle burning slow and why my candles burn so slow. You don't want to burn them with the high wicks like that. So I'll leave the video on how to use a candle snuffer set, because that will make your candles last, make your candles not pull up and do all that crazy stuff inside of them when you're burning them. But these are very good candles, guys, with 3 wicks. And when I tell you they burn slow and they are so worth every dime, promise you will love them. And I want you, when you get them, to tell me about them in the description box, how much you like them, which one is your favorite, because I know if you love candles, you're definitely going to go out and get you some of these, because they are worth it. $3.99. I know you waste more than that throughout the week, so go check these out, because it's worth it versus spending $15 to $25 per candle. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and join the family. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators. Make sure to check the description box.